Do you know what the most profitable day of the week to trade on is? How about the most profitable time of day to trade? I have here a set of trade data. These are trades that have been generated between October and mid-January of this past year. And as you can see as I scroll down, there's a lot of trades, over 600 trades to be exact. These are trades in the oil futures market, but it really doesn't matter what market it is. It could be anything. It could be Forex, stocks, E-minis. Really doesn't matter. What's important is to track your trades so that you could answer the types of questions like the ones I just asked. Here are some charts of the trades that I just showed you. The colored lines that you see on that top chart each represent a specific day of the week. You'll notice that all the days were profitable. They're all climbing upwards and to the right. That is what a good healthy equity curve should do with a profitable system. But notice that the red line is outperforming all the others. The red line are all the trades that were taken on Thursday, whereas Tuesday was the least profitable, as indicated by the blue line. You see, I track all my trades, and because of that, I've been able to learn some very valuable information. My name is Troy Noonan, although many people know me as TJ. I've been trading for a long time. Since 1992, actually, is when I took my first trade. Back in those days, I would anxiously await for my paper charts to arrive in the mail, and paying $50 commissions was considered a good deal in those days. Like most traders, I've made every mistake in the book, until I solved that by learning how to analyze my trades. In fact, a major key to overcoming the mistakes that I was making was learning exactly how to analyze my trades. Now, I'm a professional trader. It's a pretty large spreadsheet, so I slid it over a little to show you what was to the right of the day of the week equity curves that I often analyze. And you could see in columns C through K some detailed information. Notice that on Thursday, you'll find that easily by looking at that red box. If you look over, you'll see that my winning percentage was dramatically higher than the other days of the week. On Monday it was 73%, that's pretty good. Tuesday 67%. Wednesday was only 62%, but Thursday was 76.5%. So do you think that I could use that information to improve my trade results? I mean, one simple thing that comes to mind would be to just increase my position size on Thursdays and maybe decrease my position size a little bit on Wednesdays. I mean, granted, 62% is still a good winning percentage and it's still made money. But if I can utilize this information to improve my results, that would be a good thing, wouldn't it? Okay, so how about the other question I asked? The best time of day to trade. Notice here, if you look at the 9:15 time slot, right here, you see? Look at the winning percentage, 95.7%. I mean, that represents only about 7% of all the trades that I took. But you could see by the number of winners and losses, that's a pretty valuable piece of information. Whereas just 15 minutes later, look at how the winning percentage dropped. Do you know this kind of information about your own trading? If you don't keep a trade log and track your trades, you're losing a lot of valuable information that would really help you become successful at trading. And if you're already successful, this is only going to help you become that much more successful. So do you know what the most profitable day of the week to trade is? Do you know what the most profitable time of day to trade is? I can only answer that question for myself. I just showed you that I was able to discover the most profitable day and the most profitable time to trade based on my own trade history. But I was only able to get that by tracking my trades. On the next video I present, we're going to look at long trades and short trades and compare the two. We're going to analyze and see if our system has a winning edge, both long and short, what the difference is between the two. It's amazing what you can discover by tracking your trades and analyzing the data. Thanks again for your time and joining me on this short video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. This is Troy Noonan.